एक बात पूछूं, ऑनेस्टली बताना। हैव यू एवर फेल्ट दैट यू आर वर्किंग एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड? आप इंटेलिजेंट हो, क्वालिफाइड हो, केपेबल हो, बट ये समहाउ लाइफ इज नॉट गिविंग यू द रिजल्ट्स दैट यू डिजर्व। आप आसपास देखते हो, यू सी पीपल हु आर लेस क्वालिफाइड, लेस हार्डवर्किंग, लेस सिंसियर, and yet they seem to be moving ahead faster than you. And somewhere deep inside, आपने अपने आप को ये समझा लिया, maybe I'm not lucky, maybe I was born in the wrong family, maybe this career was forced on me, yeah, maybe money is just not meant for me. If this sounds familiar, then this episode is for you. Because today, I'm not going to talk about motivation. I'm not going to talk about hustle. I'm going to talk about how your brain is actually running your life and why, no matter how hard you try, you keep hitting the same invisible ceiling. एक सच बोलूं, आपको सुन के बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। आपका ब्रेन चाहता ही नहीं है कि आप सक्सेसफुल हो। आपका ब्रेन चाहता ही नहीं है कि आप खुश हो। Your brain is designed only for one thing, and that is to survive. उसका प्राइमरी फंक्शन ही आपको सेफ रखना है, कंफर्टेबल रखना है और फेमिलियर में रखना है। सो एज लॉन्ग एज यू हैव फूड, छत है, खाना पीना है, घर है, कपड़े हैं, इंटरनेट है, सारी बेसिक चीजें हैं, आपका ब्रेन हमेशा यही आपको बोलेगा, दिस इज गुड एंड देयर इज नो नीड टू चेंज। सक्सेस ब्रेन को रिस्की फीलिंग देती है, ग्रोथ अनसेफ फील कराती है, मोर मनी सीम्स फेमिलियर अनफेमिलियर, and unfamiliar is equal to dangerous for brain. Now let me explain this with a simple example. Imagine a Ferrari, one of the most powerful cars in the world. It is capable of running at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Now, why would a Ferrari not go at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour? आपका जवाब होगा, सड़कें खराब होंगी, फ्यूल नहीं होगा या ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा होगा। बट ये तो सब एक्सटर्नल रीजंस हुए। थिंक ऑफ एन इंटरनल रीजन। व्हाट इफ द फरारी हैज अ स्पीड लिमिटर सेट एट 80? अब आप जितना भी मर्जी एक्सेलरेटर दबाओ, गाड़ी 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से ज्यादा चलेगी ही नहीं। सिमिलर इज द केस विद यू, दैट फरारी इज जस्ट लाइक यू। आपकी एजुकेशन, आपकी डिग्री, आपकी स्किल्स, आपकी इंटेलिजेंस, आपकी नॉलेज, ये सब इंजन है। आपका हार्ड वर्क वो फ्यूल है। अब आपके अंदर का जो नर्वस सिस्टम है वो यहाँ पे स्पीड लिमिटर है, and that speed limiter is controlled by your reptilian brain. That is the oldest part of your brain whose job is to keep you in the survival mode.
Now, before we move forward, let me tell you about the three brains. First is the reptilian brain. Reptilian brain is designed for survival, safety, comfort. Then comes the limbic brain. It is designed for emotions, memories, trauma. And the newest one is the neocortex, which goes behind the logic, reasoning, planning. And here's the mistake we all make. We set our goals from the neocortex. But results तो हमारे आते हैं reptilian brain से, और reptilian brain को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपका vision board क्या है। वो सिर्फ एक ही सवाल पूछता है, is it safe? And अगर success उसको safety की feeling नहीं देती, your brain will block it. Now your belief system is not created by logic. It is created by conditioning. आपके पैदा होने से लेकर 9 साल तक ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ योर सबकॉन्शियस प्रोग्रामिंग जो है वो हो चुकी होती है। एंड फ्रॉम 0 to 21, दैट इज योर फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स, आप बहुत सारी चीजें अपने एनवायरनमेंट से पिक करते हो। क्या नॉर्मल है, क्या पॉसिबल है, क्या सेफ है। तो जब आप अपने आसपास देखते हो मनी फाइट, स्केर्सिटी, स्ट्रेस, क्रिटिसिज्म और लव, तो आपका नर्वस सिस्टम वहीं से सीखता है। मनी फील्स स्ट्रेसफुल, सक्सेस से प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ती हैं, बीइंग स्मॉल इज सेफर। सो नाउ एज एन एडल्ट, even when the opportunities come, they knock at your door, you unconsciously reject them. And not because ये सब इसलिए नहीं होता कि आप lazy हो. And it is also not because you are unlucky. This is because your brain has been designed to feel safe. And when you don't feel safe, you reject. Now, let me ask you a question. If you are married and you want to change something in your spouse, ये easy है कि difficult? Certainly, it is difficult. Why? Because if we try to change the behavior without touching the belief system, we cannot change a person. ये तो आप पे भी applied है. If you want different results without changing your belief system, without changing your nervous system, or without changing your environment, change will not last. Now, I want you to adopt one mindset going forward. This is called the champion mindset. Now, what does this champion mindset mean? It means taking 100% responsibility of your life. अब इसका क्या मतलब है 100% responsibility का? It means no excuses, no justification, no blaming your parents, your husband, your boss, your society, or the government at large. It means taking full responsibility of your actions, of your being. And when you start doing this, your power returns. I've worked with a million of people over the years, ordinary people with extraordinary problems, and I've seen one thing in common with them again and again. Anyone can transform if they are in the right environment. Now, every successful life is built on 5 buckets. First is your knowledge and your skills. Second is your self-belief. Third is your network. Fourth is your resources. And fifth is your reputation. तो अब आपको लग रहा होगा इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा important कौन सी 2 buckets हैं? Fourth and fifth mostly that is the answer that I get. But dear, the most critical bucket is bucket 2. Bucket 2, that is the self-belief. If you don't believe that you deserve success, you will sabotage it. If your self-belief is not rewired, nothing works in the long term. And self-belief is built only in the right environment. I want to close by sharing something very personal. This is what has worked for me over years consistently. I call it the 5H formula. First H, be happy. Be grateful to be alive. And while you are happy, stay hungry to grow. And while you are hungry to grow, stay humble. Help others. And while to do all this, you have to be healthy. So protect your body. It's your temple. If you can live by these principles simultaneously, I guarantee you, you will attract whatever you want in life. You don't need more force. You don't need more hustle. You just need a rewired brain, a regulated nervous system, and the right environment. So change the environment, change the belief, and your life will have no option but to change. If something inside of you shifted by listening to this, it's because you are ready for your next level. So stay connected and subscribe to my channel and keep watching, because every episode ahead is designed to help you redesign your life from inside out.